Welcome to the very first episode of Setup Blueprints, a brand new series where we break down real, actionable strategies using SMRT Algo tools. If you're tired of random tips and want plug-and-play setups that actually work, you're in the right place. And today, we're kicking things off with a scalping strategy that's clean, simple, and ridiculously effective. No fluff, just structure, precision, and trades that make sense. So let's get straight into it. First, let's set up the chart. We're going to be using the SMRT Algo Pro V3 and the Smart Money Toolkit, both available for TradingView. These two tools work together beautifully, giving you laser-sharp precision on entries and exits, without cluttering your screen or frying your brain. So go to your TradingView, open the Indicators tab, and add SMRT Algo Pro V3 and Smart Money Toolkit to your chart. Now for a quick breakdown. The Pro V3 is packed with features, but for this strategy, we'll be using the retest zones. They highlight ideal areas where price might pull back before continuing in the same direction. The Smart Money Toolkit is your market structure cheat code. It detects change of character, break of structure, and order blocks. You no longer need to manually draw anything. It's all printed for you, clean and simple. Here's how to configure them. In Pro V3, turn off buy, sell signals, and bar colors. Turn on retest zones. That's our key visual cue. In the Smart Money Toolkit, enable swing order blocks, set show previous order blocks to 5, and turn off grayscale visuals, bar coloring, and liquidity sweeps. We're keeping it simple and focused. Now your chart should look clean and ready for action. Here's the strategy in a nutshell. Use change of character to spot potential reversals. Use retest zones and order blocks as your entry areas. Confirm your direction with a break of structure. This trio, change of character, retest zones, and break of structure, creates a high probability setup you can rinse and repeat all day. Let's walk through a few real-life trades so you can see how it all plays out. Price moves down and creates a change of character with a bearish order block, our first clue that the uptrend might be over. Then we get another bearish order block forming, just as price retests the retest zone from. Immediately after that, we see a break of structure to the downside. This is a textbook short setup. We can enter the trade, place our stop loss just above the order block, and target recent lows. This time, price retests a bullish order block, and minutes later, forms a second bullish order block. Clear signs of strength. Next, price breaks above the retest zone and prints a break of structure. That's our cue. We enter long, set our stop just below the order block, and aim for recent highs. Clean, simple, profitable. Here's a slightly different short. A bearish order block forms. Then the price retests it and forms a change of character, showing potential reversal. Next, price retests the order block again and forms a break of structure by breaking through the retest zone. Now we wait for price to pull back again to that zone and enter short. Set the stop loss just above the retest zone and target the previous low. Here's another long setup you'll love. Price taps into a bullish order block, prints a bullish change of character. Then another order block forms shortly after. Finally, we get a break of structure through the retest zone. We could enter at the break of structure, but since the retest zone is still red, we should wait for price to retest the order block again, and then enter a long position, and again set stop loss just below the order block and target recent highs. But not every setup is going to be straight for the book, so let's break this one down step by step. A bullish order block forms, the price retests it and creates a change of character, then retests the same block again. A break of structure forms. Normally we would enter here, but price is still below the retest zone, so we wait. A few moments later, we get a bullish change of character. Price breaks through the retest zone and prints a bullish break of structure while tapping the zone again, and the zone finally turns blue. Now it's game time. We enter long, place a stop just below the retest zone, and ride it up to recent highs. The power of this strategy lies in confluence. You're not just entering on a signal, you're stacking multiple confirmations. A change of character gives you directional bias. A retest zone or order block gives you a sniper entry. A break of structure confirms the move is legit. And when all three align, that's when the magic happens. So that's the first strategy in our new setup series using SMRT Algo indicators. It's clean, it's simple, and it works best on scalping timeframes such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes. If you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with structure and confidence, go give this setup a try. And if you want to get access to the indicators we used for this video, click the link in the description below. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. We're dropping more strategies in this series soon, so hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. And as always, trade smarter, not harder.